All right, you guys, so what I wanted to share really quick as I'm getting ready for my trip to Europe is one of my travel go-tos for the past few years. And honestly, I love using this stuff at home too. But one of the things I absolutely hate going on trips is carrying around a bottle of shampoo and a bottle of conditioner, or relying on relatives or hotels to have something there. So I use shampoo bars and conditioning bars. So this just happens to be a brand that is now available in store at H-E-B locally. So I decided to check it out. So I haven't actually tried this brand before, but what the bars look like. Come wrapped in a little paper, so plastic-free wrapping, which is wonderful. And yeah, this is what they look like. You just lather this up and rub it in your hair, and then shampoo as usual. And there is absolutely no chance of this stuff spilling in your suitcase, and you're not hoping that they have enough of those tiny shampoo bottles when you get to a hotel. Anyway, love this stuff. You should check it out.